Hey everybody, got another unboxing for you today, and this one came all the way from Georgia. What could it be, I wonder? I already know what it is because I ordered this earlier this week. Last week. Let's crack into it, shall we? Oh, would you look at that? It's a Blu-ray. Not just any Blu-ray, but it's a Blu-ray of Bohemian Rhapsody, biopic on one of my favorite bands, Queen, starring Rami Malek. Let's see here, Joe Mazzello, Tom Hollander, and a special appearance by Mike Myers. I never saw this movie, and my fiance says it's a good one, so I'll take a look at it. And this is going to be an incredibly short unboxing, but thanks for watching.